Happy New Year's, everybody. It is January 1st, 2022. And as you can see behind me, we're not getting any track footage anytime soon. So no track footage of the sprint cars. However, I got another kit I can work on. We're gonna build a crawler. So let's go back inside and show you what I got. So what I've got, an AXIAL cAPRA. It's a crawler, more of a competition-based one. And I got a bunch of part that I've been collecting. We got some green compound J concept landmines that we're going to be using on this one. Those are nice and sticky. I'm going to hopefully be able to use these gold methods on here. I'm not sure if these are going to clear the portals that come on this vehicle, but I hope I do, or they do. I got a Spectrum transmitter to link up with the remote that I like. This is a 3-channel, so I'll be able to run lights or something else if I want to. I'll be running a JX EcoBoost servo, Metal Gear. I've got a Hobby Wing 1080. It's for a brushed motor. I don't need a whole lot of power on the crawler. I've got this Radon Reedy Power 16 turn motor. This will give me the extra wheel speed that I need, being a 16 turn. And I've got the Portal overdrive gears for the front. It was hard to get a hold of the underdrive gears for the rear, but I might still try and do them both. We'll see. So I'm gonna get this stuff opened up and started. You guys will only see a time lapse, so you guys don't have to watch me for 2 hours build this thing. I'll be back. cAPRA's done. I shot this with some red paint and then laid like a reptile skin over it. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I'm gonna grab it so you guys can have a look at this. So that AXIAL cAPRA drives pretty good. It's nice and quiet, runs pretty smooth. Definitely going to get more video of that on the channel here soon. See you guys next time. Hopefully the snow will melt off soon and I can get back to the project truck and start throwing in the big brushless system and all the cool stuff I got for it. See you guys next time. Later on.